that's where, and because of that dictionary and see some two continuation questions are there, sir, in quiz 2. It represents some sort of list and it represents dictionary. That's where I made the mistake. I will tell you, sir. I will tell you the numbers. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay. Okay. So that's all. Others?
Sir, recursion.
Even I have doubt in recursion.
So this is up to week 1 to 4 session. Tomorrow we will have recursion session also. Did you guys attended that DFS and recursion? What I have taken solve with instructor session? Did you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's very clear, sir.
So those who are having doubt, still you are having doubt after watching that session also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay, what do you have? What's your doubt in that?
Sir, my doubt is, sir, once it is returning in the first iteration, it's returning. How is it getting appended? I wanted to know, sir.
Yes, sir. Same doubt.
So that from that, if guys, what about
this one getting appended?
Yeah. So this concept I have cleared in that solving instructor session or not, where it is where it will be going to return value, that appending, no? Okay.
How is it getting appended to the previous one?
Okay, so this concept, okay. So if I'm getting time, then I will do. Otherwise, tomorrow this Omkar will take. So I'm just dedicated this session, like I was told to do this.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Yeah. If I'm getting time, I will just go through that.
Exit loop concept, sir.
Sorry, exit loop. Okay. Next.
Excuse me, sir. Actually, in some questions there is a separate option like incorrect conditional statement, but it's almost in a similar manner. But I'm unable to. The main problem is that I'm not able to find the difference where it is. I mean, the major difference between the type of conditional, like if and while, like if and for.
Okay, so you are having question, doubt clearing.
In find the error, that's the main
error
problem.
Error finding question.
Yes, sir. Except that I'm.
Okay, so just tell me some of the question. Maybe I will go through that. I will explain here. Okay, just get that question, any question, and then I will go through it.
Yes, sir. I'll get that.
Okay, others? If not, then I can start. I can start a list and dictionary summary what I have prepared for this session. Okay, is it fine now?
Sir.
Okay. So very good. Yeah. So we have list, insertion, dictionary, index versus key. Okay. So I will go through that. Yeah. So list is a collection of values stored in sequential order, meaning we have that all, right? Yeah. So like list, if you say that, it will have like 1, comma, a, comma. So these all are in sequence. Sequence meaning they have a order. I mean, at first, generally in C programming, what we do, or C any language, generally we start with 0. No? So the first position is defined as a 0. So 0th position, first position, second position. Okay, like that. So that has a sequential order. Next is that list can store different type of data types. That is what I have written: integer, character, and this is what? String. List can store duplicates also. It doesn't matter. List can have more than one, like I'm writing here 1, no problem at all. Okay. Next we have list preserves the order of elements. Okay, so if you copy or somewhere, like if L is equal to L1, what do you think? The order will be same, no? Guys, order will be same. Next we have an element in a list can be another list or a dictionary. That is where the concept comes, list of list. So L can be like this also: 1, 2, or like that it can happen. Any doubt in this? List elements can have
No, sir.
this or a dictionary also. Tell me, what's your doubt?
No, no, sir. No doubt.
Okay. So list is initialized using this one. Like if you want to create a list initialization, you can do like this. Okay. Then you have L is the length. It depends on the number of elements in the list. Like if I ask here, so let me write actually L1 into like L1. This is L2. This is L3. L4. If I write length of L2, what it will be? Length of L2 will be what?
4.
Okay. Length of L3 will be what?
2.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, great.
So,
Now-
sir, inside the
Sorry?
so inside the list, if we have the duplicate elements, should we count that one also, like for total length?
That is what we have done. No, for there are two elements. One duplicate elements. One is
We'll count the
Right.
duplicate also. I thought
Yeah. We are counting the length of number of elements present in the list L2. So that's what this is for. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is this statement right that the list always contain elements in increasing order?
No, where is increasing order or decreasing order?
Means there is some order.
No, the sequence, the position or index, like 0th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Like this is the indexing or the position of the that you can say. But elements is having freedom that can be any or not. It can have integer, character, string. It can have anything. No.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Yeah, next we have list. It requires to appending. So to append, what we do, like if L5 is there, if I want to write L1 plus L2, sorry, L1 plus L2 is both as L3. What it will be here? Control
L1
C,
will be appended with L3 in the end.
comma. This will be coming. Any doubt in this? So
No, sir.
No, sir.
This whole, sorry, this is the L1 actually, no? And this was actually
L3.
L3. Okay. If I write L6 is equal to L1 plus, sorry, L1 plus L4. What it will be?
only L1. Yes.
Only L1.
Only L1 will come, no? Because
Yes.
if I write L7 is equal to L1 plus L4.
Empty list will
Then
be
empty
appended.
list will be included.
Sorry, yeah, just a minute. L4, yeah. What it will be?
L1 with empty list.
One empty list will be appended inside.
L4 would be added to C.
Is there any Doubt?
No, sir.
What will be the length of L5?
Now you tell me what will be the L, how many elements are here inside?
5.
5.
L5, sir, L5.
Yeah. So
Length
length
of
of,
L5.
yeah, so length of here, if you want to write here, length of
L7.
L7 will be what?
5.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Sir, can you explain me L3? L3 is first the list and
Sir,
then
length of L5, sir.
Length of L5 will be what?
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just count the commas, no? The outer 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 5. And last one is actually a 6. Yeah. So more, it will be more than one comma. So you have to consider the outer one, like this is the one, this is the one, this is the one, this is the one, this is the one. Actually, no? So these are the actually elements. One element, another element, another. Okay. Is your doubt clear? No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we have, what is that? Yeah. If I want to write L8, now L8 is equal to L1 plus. If you want to add element, yeah, just a minute. Yeah. So don't answer anyone. This is correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Why?
Because 4 is a
Can't
number.
append with
4 is an
element.
element. L1 is a
And
list.
list
Yeah.
can't append with element.
So you have to make it first.
4 is an integer.
Now
correct.
Then
Now-
you can append the element.
List to list.
Yeah, so you can only append. This is only valid to appending list to list, not list to element. So if you want to add any element to this list, you have to first make it list with using this square bracket and then, okay. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir. No, sir.
no, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, today attendance is 85. How come?
Because it's a revision.
Before and term.
Revision session, sir. Exam pressure.
Everyone knows the value of L5.
Last time, last minute study, last week study. Yeah, so this is just now, I think I have already explained this one. We are adding a list. So list and L and D. So how will, this is a dictionary actually. Yeah. So some dictionary is there. Once I create dictionary, then I will talk about this one. So to appending also dictionary, first we have, what do you have to do? You have to make it list. This is what, that is what it is done here. So L is an empty dictionary, a list in which you have appended a dictionary D. That will come like this. Okay. Now this is the thing. Just okay. Please mute yourself, guys. I'm just hearing background noise. Just look at for 30 seconds and then let me know. 30 seconds each and every one. Just 30 seconds. Yeah, hello. Yeah, so see what is there. So this is input list. You are checking all the outputs, whatever the function we have defined here. So like for an empty list, what will be the length? 0. And what is the return value? Which type of? It will be an integer. First of 5 is undefined for empty list. Last is also undefined, but it is defined for the rest and it, which will return empty dictionary empty list, and this is no need to remember. You can go and cross check with the pseudo code what we have provided in the tutorial lecture. Okay, so when you have only one element in a list, what you will do? Length is 1. Yes, first of it will be 10, last of it will be same. Again, when you have only one element, it will return the empty list. Means rest of things, what it does is just leave the first element and returns the rest of value. So first is leaving 10, remaining is just empty. So that's why it is returning here. Same thing in it. What it does, it just leave the last element and then it returns. So last element is the same thing. First and last, when you have one element, both are same, first and last. So it will return an empty list. Any doubt in this? Yes.
Sir, I have one thing to ask.
Huh?
Sir, also L3, the example you took before, and in this also, so you can see the last two dictionaries are there. But as you said, if we add dictionaries to a list.
No. So Dev, you have doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm line by line, no? Okay. If you have doubt any, then I will let. Okay. So when you have some, like, let us put elements, this is the one. Length, return first of L will be 1, last of L will be 4. Rest will be what? From 3, we will leave the first element and remaining will carry. It will return a list 2, 3, 4. In it will be what? You will leave the last element. First, all these all will be coming as an output. It can have when you have different data types. So this is actually double inverted comma. What do you think this will be? This is
String.
String. The only one character. It can have, no? So it will return an integer. String first, last. Same thing, no? It's not a same thing. This is also same. Here is how many elements you are having in this one. If I ask
Three.
1, 2, and 3. If you ask, this will be returning 3. First of L will be what?
1, 2, 3.
One list.
List.
It will return a list. Last of L?
Also
Again a list.
And rest of L?
149 and 182.
From here,
list.
we will leave the first element.
Yes, sir.
Init will be what?
Leaving the last element.
Last element.
Okay, so can you see this then? That first and last can return integer, string, list. It is all the same.
Yes, sir.
First and last. What about rest and init? It will always return as a
List.
Does it make sense?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So in list, you can have element as a dictionary, which is here. Again, length will be only 2. First element, this is the first element. Another one is this one. Okay. Then again, first of L will be this first element. Last will be this one. Rest will be remain if you have to leave the first one. So this will be the element. I mean, rest of L. And the end of this will be what? We will leave the last element. So this will be the value. This is again, you have list as well as a dictionary as an element of a list L. So same integer list, it will return dictionary list. So is there any problem now? Any doubt in this?
Sir, I want to ask you how to find the elements, number of elements in dictionary.
Number of elements, how will find? Okay, good question. Okay. Others can mute. Anybody wanted to answer? He wants to find the number of elements in a dictionary. Okay, just a minute. Give me a second. What's your name? How can we find number of elements in a dictionary?
Excuse me, sir. Can you speak little loudly?
Okay, sorry.
So, can I answer this question?
Okay. So, for everyone, question is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Anybody wanted to answer?
So, can I try?
Number of keys.
Number of
The number of keys.
will be equal to
length of number of keys.
just let me write something. So what should I write? 0. Let us say 0. First one is what? Ram in respect, and first is
1.
date of birth something. Yes. And
Year.
maths marks. Let us say math marks. We got. Okay. So if this is a dictionary which has key, is different things. How will you find the number of elements in this?
First, let us
Length of keys
initialize.
of D.
The key.
We will initialize two variables.
We need to check the key pair, sir.
So keys of D will give what?
0 and 1.
0 data.
It will give a list, sir. 0 date of birth
and
Maths.
maths in any order.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I think I didn't explain now dictionary, no? So I should have. Okay, it's fine. Everybody knows. Or it can have any order.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can have like this also.
Because we use dictionary for to access random.
Yeah. This is fine. Or any order, miss any 3 combination it can have. So it can have any order. Now can you now who had doubt in this? Arag.
Sir, my question is
I had.
Rohit.
Yes.
So Rohit, now tell me how we. So now you have list. List no? List
Yes,
is what?
sir.
Which is the key of. So can you tell me that number of keys will be same as number of elements in a dictionary?
No, not required to be. Right? If it is a nested dictionary.
Nested dictionary. No, the keys. I mean the outer key. I mean so that time I will not tell like D. I have to tell with the key. Okay. So if I say nested dictionary, then I will have some key value, no? Key. Then I will tell that what will be the.
If it is outer key, then each outer key will have its unique value. So number of keys is equal to number of values.
Yes, talking about only D now. I am just talking about non-nested dictionary.
Yeah.
So yeah. So what will be the length? Can you tell me, Rohit, how we can find the length from a list?
Length of
key.
LEN keys.
If I write like this, what is the key? I actually list. I'm writing a list actually here. This will give what? 3. This is nothing but a list. From list you are finding using the function called length. From there you are finding the number of elements in a dictionary. That's fine, no? Rohit? Okay, sure. Next, so this is clear for everyone.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who's having doubt?
Sir, Parag.
Tell me, Parag.
Sir, in dictionary, we write 89 value as a maths key. Can we write 0 instead of 89?
What it will change then here?
Sir, my question is, can we use value as a key?
Value as yeah, why not? But there will be not only restriction is that there cannot be duplicate keys.
Sir, but we already use key as a 0 for a RAM value.
Yes, why not? Why can't we use? Why can't not use? We can use it simply. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, here the first 0 is key and the last 0 is value, isn't it, sir?
Yeah. So see, if I write like D of 0, it will be the
RAM.
And if I write D
of maths,
then what it will be? Sorry, maths, no, sorry.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, chalo. Next, what we have, yeah. So this is clear. Now insertion start.
No, sir. Sir, I had my doubt. You
Okay,
said to ask later.
tell
Yes.
me.
Sir, in the last two, I'm just asking if you told we have to operate on list. If we have to add dictionary to it, we make it a list.
Yeah.
So in this, I can't see in the last two. I can't see list with double squared bracket on that side. No, that they are not in the list. So we just add them, make them list then and there only, just to add them to the list.
Yeah, so this one, yeah, how we will add. So this is a dictionary. First, you have to create like that is what it is done here. See,
Yes, sir.
it is there.
Exactly
See,
what I'm.
see what is there. You have a L initially an empty list. B1 you have this one. If you want to append B1 to L, what you have done? L is equal to L plus plus.
Yes, sir. We make it a list first.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
See, but just as the list, when the can you scroll to the example, the last two in this slide
Yeah.
also only.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, the last two. So that's what I'm asking. If it is asking
here you are saying that it should be a square bracket.
That's what I'm asking, because at first, but it is inside the list only. We just to operand it.
Where is that? Let's see what we are doing here. L is here. So what actually we doing? I just let me write in a little plus plus. So this is what we actually are doing now. So this is the element inside.
Okay.
And this is the element inside. If it yeah, and there if you append adding this one, comma, then finally it is coming this one. I mean, you have this one and this one will make it, you are appending this one. So why it will come? It will come inside. Then you will come, this will be, if you are going to keep, then how you are going to add them? That is you have to initial as a list and then you are appending the values. So elements are appended in the list, no? So you have to remove this one and then you are going to append the elements of another list.
Also, sir, when the first we are using first L and last L, it is not coming in a list. Means we are taking out the element only. So in other example, there was a list also. That's why the answer was coming list and integer and string. That's why it is coming dictionary.
So here element is not for the element of list. L is here not an element. Here elements are actually a list. So this is the example list of list, not a list only. This is a list
of list.
Yeah. So that's why here elements are not element. I mean the integers. They are the list actually. That's why first of so coming as a list. Okay. Okay. Any doubt in this? Anywhere?
No.
Okay. Chalo. So see, insertion sort has what we have seen. It has two parts actually. Two parts in what? You have this is the main. Guys, can you please mute? Guys? Yeah. So those who are not talking, please mute yourself. Okay, na? Yeah. So see, the insertion sort has two things. First one is what? This is the main code, and in which you have another procedure called insertion, insert an element, which is this one. And this one is nothing but written in details. This one. So as you call for every, so this is your input list, means you want to sort this one in increasing order or ascending order. Okay. So what you are going to do first, you have sorted list created as an empty list. Now you are iterating through each and every element of input list. For that you are calling this insert element procedure, this one, to add in that sorted list. So this is actually when you create this. So in any time or any time of iteration in between the iteration, this will be the partially sorted list. Initially it will be empty, at end it will be a fully sorted list, but in between it will be a partially sorted. How? I tell you. So let us say first time you have input list 5 2 1 3 4. Sorted list you have an empty. For each, when you go first time, what will be the value of x? Anybody wanted to tell?
5.
5.
So with the 5, you are calling insert an element sorted list. Sorted list, what is the value of sorted list? You have
Empty list.
empty list. So you are sending an empty list, comma 5. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Which will copy to SL, sort SL, and X will be 5.
5.
Which is the full code is written here. So this is the call. Like as you go, this will be SL is in empty list and S is 5. Temp list. So inside another, now we have created another empty list. What is that called? Temp list. Okay. Insert initially is defined as a false. So here this is actually a Boolean. You have defined or initialized this inserted as a Boolean data type. Okay. So for each element in SL, what is SL initially you have? This is
Empty.
Empty list.
Then what will be the empty? It will go no, na?
No.
Where it will come?
Temp list.
Where it has opened. This has opened here, closed. You just put a straight line here. So it will not. It is not going to read till here.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please tell once.
Yeah, tell me.
Please just repeat this line.
Yeah. So as when you go first time, element ELE in SL. SL is initially empty, so there is no element, so it will not execute.
Yes.
Means it has opened here, and where it has closed, if you put a simply straight line, this one I have taught in that week 1 or 3 something, week 2. So where it has opened, this has opened here, just put a straight line, this has closed here. So this whole part will be not executed. Agree? This whole part will be not, since because this is a whole part inside of this for each loop. No?
For each loop.
Where it will come? This guy. If so, what is the value inserted you had?
False.
False.
Not false meaning what?
True.
Okay, someone has doubt in not false, not true. Someone has doubt. So see, initially it was initialized as a false. Not false means what?
True.
Will it go inside? So
Yes, sir.
overall this is true. It will go inside. And temp list will be temp list. So what is the temp list you had initially?
Empty.
Empty list.
Empty plus see. X was what?
5.
So see, can you see this? First it is made as a
List.
So empty list plus 5. What it will be?
5 in a list.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now it will come, and what it will be? It will return temp list. Where it will go? Here. So sorted list is what now?
Only 5, sir.
On which have list 5, list which has element 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now again you will go next time. So X in input list. What is the next X you will have?
2.
2.
And sort. Now we are again calling with the another sorted list. So what is the value of sorted list?
5.
5.
Comma 2.
2.
So that is what you are doing. You have a sorted list 5 and X is what? 2. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now come here. So SL is 5 and X is 2. Now check. So temp list again you have
Empty.
inserted is what?
False.
For each element in SL.
Sir, I
True.
okay.
Now
That
this loop
temp
will
list
execute.
again, it will become empty, sir.
Sorry?
Temp list, previously it was append with 5 now.
You reinitialized it after entering into this sub procedure.
Yeah, so you have just as you call this one. So sorted list is returned with what? This one, no? This insert an element returned with list 5. So you have value of sorted list is what?
5.
5 as a list.
Yes.
since this is a closing bracket of for each loop, it will again go and check key elements are there or not. Yes, we have element because we have only read one when the
Yes.
first element. When you go second time, x will be what? 2.
2.
And again you will go to sorted list. Again you are calling with insert
Procedure.
and sorted list. What you had in previous iteration?
5. List
5.
5.
List 5. है ना?
Mm.
Sorry, return value. So sorted list is 5. And what is the value of x you have?
2.
2. So this is 2. So SL will be 5. X is 2. Now temp list again you have
Empty. Oh,
inserted list is what?
false.
Sorry, inserted is what? False.
False.
For each element ELE in SL. What is the value of ELE when you go first time in SL?
5.
5.
Agree, no?
Yes.
So now you go and check. Not inserted. What is the value of inserted you had?
False.
False.
Not false?
True.
Overall true?
Yes,
Will it
sir.
go inside?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x is what?
2.
2. 2
Yes.
is less than
5.
5.
true or false?
True. True.
It will go inside and temp list will be what? Temp list. Temp list, what do you had?
5.
5.
No, empty.
Guys,
Empty.
It's an empty
Sir.
list.
empty plus
2.
So what it will be? Temp list
2. List containing 2.
2. And what you have done? Inserted?
We update it to be 2.
True. Now again, so this is closing bracket of this one.
If.
You have done. Now this is closing bracket of if. Now we will come here. This one you have not executed, no? So temp list will be temp list. So temp list is what? 2.
2.
Plus ELE. What is ELE?
5.
5.
So 2 plus 5 will be what?
2, 5.
2, 5. List 2, 5.
List of 2, 5.
Any doubts?
No.
No, sir.
Now this is closing bracket of which? For each.
For each.
For each.
Again you have to check any element are there or not. So ELE element in SL is initially what?
5.
5.
5.
5.
So there will be no any element where it will come out. It will not go na, because you had only one element. It will come out from this loop. Where it will come? Here. You will go and check here now. Huh? Guys, any doubt?
No,
No, sir. No, sir.
So not inserted. Inserted, you have done something with inserted somewhere.
True. True.
Not true.
False.
Will it go inside?
No.
No.
We will return with what? Temp list. Temp list is what?
2, 5.
2, 5.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Sir,
So now-
where is
Uh-huh.
template getting emptied again?
Temp list, where is getting?
Emptied again means it was having
Initialization of
No, second after procedure.
So where templates is returning the value? What did you ask this one, or where it is emptied?
Sir, last one.
After the first, we had 5 in template and then it got empty. So how did that go about?
I see. I had a lot of background noise. Can you please repeat? So see, template will be 2 and 5. That is okay. After that, what stood out in this? Hello.
Sir, I'm saying when we called the procedure first, we first of all took the empty template.
Yeah.
And then in the second loop entered and template was appended with list of 5.
Yeah.
Then we put the 5 in that sorted procedure.
X in this we have appended X. The first time you are telling. Okay. First time. Yes.
After that, how templates became empty again?
Because you called again, no? You called this one again for the next element of 2. Agree? You called it again, this guy. So again, you will go to the here, and it as you go into, you are just reinitializing temp list with empty list, no?
Is this not a continuing thing?
No, sir. Yeah, it is continuing, but whenever you will call, when you are going to new tab, I mean going to again and again, it will reinitialize, no? That is what it will do, no? As many times you will call a procedure, it will start from the beginning, meaning as you call this guy, it will start from here. So start from here, what? You have reinitialized temp list with an empty list. Huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So when you have next element will be what? 1.
1.
Okay. So when you have 1, what you will do? Again, sorted list is what is that? 2, 5.
5.
With x is what?
1.
1.
Again, you have temp list is what?
Empty.
Empty list. False for each element. What is the element first in S?
List 2.
So not inserted. Not false means true. Come inside. What is the value of x you have?
1.
1 less than 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will come inside, and what it will do?
Temp list.
It will be appended to temp list.
Temp list will be what? 1.
Empty.
1.
1, no. This is initially 1, and then you have appended x.
1, 2, the way
Oh, okay, okay.
2.
This will be 1 now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uninserted made it true. Now it will come temp list is equal to temp list plus element. So temp list you had 1. Now element was what? 2.
2.
1 plus 2.
2.
This is what it is done
1,
here.
2. Yes.
Now it will. So this is closing bracket of this one for each.
For each.
Next element is what?
5.
5.
It will check here. Inserted we have made something.
True.
Not true.
False.
False.
Where it will come? This whole
Temp list.
whole things will be not executed.
Yes, sir.
Come here, and temp list is equal to 1,
1,
2,
2, and 5.
plus 5.
5.
This will become like this.
Yes, sir.
Now again next element. Do we have next element in SL? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It will not go further. It will close the loop, and it will come here. Now not inserted. Inserted, do you have made something?
True.
Yes.
True, sir.
Not false.
Not true. False.
It will not go inside, where it will directly come return. So what will be the return value?
1, 2, 5.
List 1 to 5.
1, 2, and 5.
And which will be now sorted list, the partial. So sorted list will be 1 to 5. So that is what we said at any iteration, or miss any iteration of this loop. Sorted list will be a partially sorted list. No? 1 to 5 is actually a partially sorted, no? So like that it will work. Do you think I need to explain further? It's pretty much clear. Any doubt in this? Or should I go for one more element and check? What do you say, guys?
Sir, for fourth element.
Acha, chalo. So now what is the SL you have? 1 to
1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Next x is
3.
3.
Come here. SL is 1 to 5. X is 3. Temp list is what?
Empty list.
Empty.
Started false. Element EL is what? First time?
Yes. 1.
Not inserted. Will it go inside?
Yes.
Yes.
Now 1 is less than 3. True or false?
True.
We had
True. True.
we had 3. 1 is less than 3 is true.
Yes.
What it will do? Temp list plus empty list plus x. It will make it
1. Sorry.
it out.
Mm.
You are adding x. Sorry, x, no. No. So this is for sorry.
False.
Fourth, sir.
So this is
X is 3 actually.
X is 3. So
3 is less than 1.
Yeah. So 1. What 3 is less than 1, no?
And it's false.
Yes, false.
False.
No.
Where it will come? Here.
We'll skip it to next step.
Yeah. So temp list is plus element. So element is initially what? 1, no?
1.
It will make it this one. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now it will go again. Next element is what?
2.
Again, not inserted. Still we have inserted. What is that? False thing only. Not false means
True.
X is what?
2.
X is 3, no? X
X
is
is
3.
3.
3 and element
less
is
than 2. True or false?
false.
Not go inside. Where it will come? It will come here, and it will make it 1, 2. 1 initially it has 1 plus 2. It will be 1, 2. Any doubt in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now next element. Next element is what? 5.
5.
So not inserted. Again, it will be true overall because inserted was false.
False.
So now what is the value of x? We have 5. Sorry. X is
3.
Yeah, x is 3. Element is 5.
Element is 5.
sir.
Now
So
inserted.
It's true.
3 is less
true,
than
sir.
5. Is true or false?
True, sir.
Now it will come here and template will be
1, 2.
1, 2 plus
1, 2, and
Plus 3.
3.
Plus
3.
1, 2, and 3.
That is what it is done here. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
And inserted is made it
True.
now it will come here, and now template is equal to template plus
element.
Element 5.
5, no?
1, 2,
Yes.
3, and 5.
We'll make it 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now again it will check next element. We do not have a next element. It will come here, and now again not inserted means
False.
overall false. It will not go. Now it will return 1, 2, 3, 5. Any doubt in this?
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
Now you can check, no? Any doubt till here? Anyone?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
So next we have dictionary. So dictionary, I will just read the line. If you have any doubt, stop.
Please mute everyone, sir.
Yeah, guys, please mute, guys. Those who are not talking, or if you have doubt, then you please unmute and then talk. Lakshmi, Parag.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, now good. So now see, dictionary is a collection of elements stored as a key value. So okay, so I'm just reading the lines. If you have any doubt, unmute and ask it out. Because I think most of the things are already covered. It's just a revision. So, dictionary is a collection of elements stored as a key value pair. We know already. Dictionary can store key and values of different data types. Yes. Dictionary can store duplicate values, but keys must be unique. Yeah. So that is what in previous dictionary, all the keys are unique. But values can be duplicate. Like I can have one more value, like physics. Sorry, physics. It can have 0. Sorry. It can have no more duplicate values. It can have. Okay. But
Yes,
the
sir.
keys will be all keys will be unique. Otherwise, there will be what is that? No, like if I use one of the key, if let us say there are more than one key, same key. So for which value it will take? No, the value. Understand? So let us say you have another physics as a key, imaginary thing, and it has 89 or something 90 marks. Now, what it will take? Tell me then. Why it is not, it should not have duplicate key. Now you can understand na? which value it will. Tell me.
Nothing. Error.
It's another.
Error generated.
Yeah, so that's why in dictionary duplicate keys are not allowed.
Not allowed.
Understood? What will be the?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 0. Any doubt?
So, sir, will it produce error or something?
You cannot write it. It's an error actually, no?
Yeah.
No, but when you try to assign the value, it will automatically overwrite, right?
While creation of matrix, while creation of dictionary.
Oh.
But you cannot write, the final output or the final key value. Final dictionary will not look like this. Okay.
Sir, parent dictionary key can be used in nested dictionary.
Dictionary, dictionary, nested dictionary will come. Don't worry.
Okay.
We are the like. Okay. Chalo. Guys, please mute now. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Please.
So for dictionaries, can we use a dictionary as a key, a dictionary or a list as a key?
No.
Okay. Why?
And so what we will do is dictionary, like you cannot use as a key, as I know till here. I don't think so. We can use as a key, as a dictionary or any list.
Because we can't call the key. Is that why?
As far as know, I can tell that you can use as a keys, dictionaries and list. But maybe I will just talk to Omkar. Maybe he will be the right person.
Sir, actually, no, sir, we can't use. Actually, I talked, I asked this question before to Omkar, sir.
What he told?
He told that we can't use list and dictionary as a key for a dictionary.
We can use or we can't?
We can't.
We can't, no? Yeah, that's why. That's
Yes,
why I was knowing that we cannot use.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so next we have, yeah, where are we? Okay, so next we have a value in dictionary can be another dictionary or a list. Yeah, it can have, no? The value can have a dictionary or a list. Dictionary is initialized using this one. Dictionary value is accessed using this one. Key of D as a dictionary, where key will be, you can write like this in a square bracket. Okay. So keys of D function returns a list of keys present in a dictionary. Let us say you have dictionary D in which you have key value pairs are like this. If you write keys of D, then it will return either A, B, C or A, C, B or B, C, or any combination. So sequence in dictionary doesn't matter. So dictionary doesn't preserve the order. Therefore, keys function can return the list of keys in any order. Okay, that makes sense. I think this is pretty much clear. We are talking from the beginning of the dictionary class. No, any doubt in this? No, no. Okay. So each key function, what it does, D comma K function returns true if K is a key in dictionary D, else it returns false. Yeah, means if any element, if you want to check in dictionary D, K is a key or not, you have to use a function called isKey. And isKey, what it will do, if A is a key in dictionary D, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Does it make sense? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we have, I will talk about a little bit more in detail in dictionary. Just give me a second. Just this. List has indices. Indices means they have a position, indexing. So that is what it is written. Index indicates the position of the element in list. 0th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Like you cannot access randomly at the 4th. If you have seen in the previous and like if you are going through each and every, from the beginning you have to start. For going through to reach this one, you have to first read these things. So random access is not possible in a list. You have to start from the beginning, 0th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th, like that. Whereas in dictionary you can have random access, means you can read any element with the just using the key of that corresponding value. So D of B, if I want to write, if you want to know the value of, if you want to write this one, you have just write D of B, it will return B. You need not to write first this one and then you will write this one. So that is what random access is possible in case of dictionaries.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in Python language, indexing starting from 0. So in our case, index starting from 1 or 0.
Yeah, in Python it will have a next term. So but here we have what we have done. I think in matrices we have started with the 0, no, 0, 1, 2, 3. So consider whatever we have taught from this one, our lecture. Just think about that one. In other courses, you will understand from where, because different languages are different. Like C programming also start from, I think, 0, yeah, but MATLAB start from 1, no. So different different programming language have different starting value. Okay. So this is a particular to the particular programming language. Okay. Index is always an integer starting from 0. Okay. So we have initialized with the 0. Keys can have any data type. Key can have any data type. It can have integer, character, string. Okay. L is then index is 0 is 10. Index 0 is 10. So this is present as the 0th position. Okay. Index 1 is this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like that, if where is in case of dictionary D, you have D of 2, then it will just give the value of this guy 20. Okay. So this is just list and dictionary discussion. Now nested dictionary. Okay, I think I got doubt for nested dictionary or no. Nested iteration is a nested, no, nested dictionary. So who is having doubt in nested dictionary? Tell me. I will write something. And yeah. Okay. So
nested.
What should I write here? Like first one is like let us say India. There we have written, and that another one is the capital. Capital is what? New Delhi. Okay. And what you can write STD code? Anybody know?
So 011.
Huh?
So we can write in numbers also 011.
Yeah, I will write. STD code is what? I think +91, no?
01.
011, sir. +91 is for India. For New Delhi, it will be 011.
Okay, no. So I'm talking about India only. STD code +91. So India's capital is New Delhi. STD code is what?
+91.
Okay. This is correct?
Yeah.
Or should I write in double inverted comma?
No, sir, it's an integer, I think.
Is it integer?
No, it's
double inverted
It's
commas.
a string,
It's
sir.
a string.
Should I take
double?
week 1 lecture?
No, sir.
Can you see this a special or the some character is it? Now make it sense?
Sir, is it dictionary of dictionary?
Yeah, so that is nested dictionary. That is what I'm writing here. So next countries. Tell me. What is that? Nepal. Okay. So this is becoming too much complex for writing. I think I should have written ABCD something, no? I don't know the STD code of Nepal. What should?
Sir, +977.
Nepal. You are from Nepal?
No, sir.
Google.
Okay.
Sir,
+97.
Yes, sir, +9.
USA. USA is everybody knows. I
+1.
Sir, selling sari doesn't mean we have to wear the sari.
What is the capital of USA?
DC, Washington.
Washington DC.
Only WDC it will work?
Yes.
Yes.
And STD code is what?
+1.
Oh, it is going beyond that. +1, no? Only
Yes,
one.
only.
Yeah.
String, inverted comma.
So lots
Okay.
of background sound.
Yeah, guys, please, if you have from your side background noise is there, just try to make it try to mute yourself. I mean, we'll go one. No, still it is not going. Okay, I'm trying to make it in one line. So yeah, now it is there. Yeah, now see, D1 is there. What should I do? Tell me. This is nested dictionary. If I want to know the capital of USA, what should I write here?
Washington DC.
US.
Okay.
USA cap.
D1 of.
Then This will give WDC.
So this no.
sir.
This will represent what?
The entire list after the key.
Dictionary.
It will give enter dictionary. Yeah.
Dictionary.
Any doubt in this?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now D1. See how it works. It looks very good, no? Like step by step you go. Now you have another dictionary, and now again you have to go for key.
Yeah.
Cap.
Yes.
And then what it will be? WDC. See, so this is nothing but a dictionary, which is, and in dictionary you have a key, which is this one, and you are writing WDC. Any doubt in this?
No,
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. What should I and then ask some doubts? No, how can I?
Sir, if I write D1.
D1 if you want to write.
D1 of.
D1 of.
STD. Then it's generate error, na sir.
What do you think it will give?
I think
invalid key.
Error.
Invalid key.
Sir, we cannot directly access to inner key.
Error.
Yes, sir. We cannot directly access to inner key.
We do not have key actually of D1. D1, what are the keys we are having?
India, sir, USA.
India and USA.
India and USA.
And if you want to know the keys, what it will do? We have to check keys of
D1.
D1. What it will be?
India or USA?
India,
USA.
Okay, sir, got it.
So
then
keys of D1 could. So 1 second, sir. So keys of D1 could also return USA and India, right?
Very much true. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry.
Okay. Now this will. What, guys? I'm hearing background noise here. What to do?
Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Mute everyone.
So I think this sometimes interruption comes from your side, I guess.
My side? Huh? Oh my God.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because all are on mute and sometimes some disturbance.
Nobody's from my side. See, nobody's here with me here. See, if I mute everyone, see, I cannot.
No, it's from Parag's side.
Guys, please mute everyone, or I will mute. Now,
no,
see,
sir. Actually, sometimes it comes from your side. Everyone is on mute, even though.
Okay, I agree now.
Sir, please mute yourself, sir. That's it.
Okay. What about now?
No, sir, there is no background.
Yeah, it's clear now, sir.
No, I can see. Okay, chalo. Yeah. So now tell me what will be the value here?
False.
True or false? Why false?
It's false.
Now one more thing is key. Now I want to check keys in USA. What I should do?
Is key
D1, then USA.
US.
D1? Like that? I
US.
write?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Comma? Any something key like 0.
STD.
What it will return?
False.
Error or false?
False.
Error.
False. It will always return Boolean value.
Boolean, yes, sir. False.
Always remember is key will return Boolean values. And thing is that also it should have a dictionary. You should be using dictionary. If this is not a dictionary itself. So this one, okay. Both are same. Yeah. So let me copy and paste, Control C. And see, from this is not coming from my side. I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, both. What will be the value here? Tell me. This will be true or false?
This will be error. This cannot.
Error,
This
sir.
is an error.
False, sir.
Who is
Zero.
error? Who
False,
is saying?
false. No,
I am
false.
error.
False.
Okay,
So it
Karthik.
is
It's false.
False, sir.
Karthikeyan is
False.
False.
False. Sir.
False.
Okay.
Karthikeyan is saying error. No? Karthikeyan.
Yes.
Okay, why error? Tell me. See, D1, you have dictionary. Is correct or not? You have dictionary. 0 is a key or not of dictionary D1.
This is not a key.
Yeah. So
So it
not a
returns
key.
false.
What you will return?
False. Yeah, false.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, is key cap, like that cap within string, and then New Delhi, what will it return?
Okay, let me write. So this will also return false, no? Okay. What is your doubt, Vishwajit? What should I write? Tell me. Is key.
Sir, is key, yes.
Is key.
Then within bracket, CAP cap within string.
Like that, huh?
Yes, sir. And then comma, New Delhi.
Okay. Cap, comma, New Delhi. This is what you want to know. So
Yes, sir.
is key is defined for how the first element should be a dictionary.
Dictionary.
And is checking whether any key in that dictionary this one or not. So cap is a dictionary.
Sir,
Cap
but it's a dictionary, but it's
No.
a nested dictionary.
No, sir.
Cap is not a dictionary.
Where cap is a dictionary.
Cap is not a dictionary, sir. Cap is a key. One of the key.
Yes, yes.
Cap is not a dictionary. It will just error, means undefined or error something you can write. What we haven't, but I don't know code. What code will do when, but this is not defined. I mean, we haven't defined for this. Not defined. We haven't defined for this element. This should be the first element. Should be the dictionary. Okay, and this always returns a true on Boolean values. I mean,
Sir, sir, if we have, I mean, cap is a dictionary. No, it can be. Okay, sorry, sir. I misunderstood this.
Yeah, so you cannot write like variable will be not. You cannot write like it's a data type. There, no? So cap is a dictionary. Then you will have something here. I mean, cap you have defined as something as a dictionary here. Some 1 is to 5 like that. Something you have defined, no? Cap here you can write it like a string. It is a variable actually, no? Dictionary.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Okay, so where I was, yeah, one thing I want to tell you that like okay, so generally what we do, member function was there, no?
A list.
Member, what it does, L comma 1. What it will return actually?
Is it in the list or not?
You have A is this one. Let us say 1
True or false?
And what it will return here?
True.
Boolean value.
True, sir.
Boolean value. Now we have dictionary D, and this is something dictionary. Just tell me, simple one, so that I want to
1 0.
Just let
1A.
1A.
I can write like
2B.
Yeah. B. I can write like this also. B value is 4. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to use member function in this to check whether key is there or not in this element.
We can't, sir.
Yes, sir, we can.
We can.
Sir, member of keys of D. Member of keys of D. Then
can we write? See, those who have doubt, just can we write like this? Member of
keys of D.
Some, let us say 5. Can this will be true or false?
False.
Just this is valid or invalid? First of all, tell me.
Valid.
Yeah, so what we have done, this is nothing but a list. So
Yes,
member
sir,
is defined only for the first element. The first element will be what? A list, which we converted very cleverly with using isKey function. Got it, no?
Yes,
sir.
That make it sense little bit.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This will be
Sir, is it same as is key d comma 5?
yeah. isKey d comma 5. Guys, are you okay with this? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
No, sir.
Sir, I can't
Yes, sir.
understand this member function.
Okay. So Rohit, see which one you haven't understood? This one or this one?
Member.
Member is defined for which list or dictionary?
List.
List. What we do generally, if check that any element is there in not. Okay.
Yes.
So what do you
it's the
think?
main function.
So for using a member function, you have to set a first element as a list, and the second can be anything. I don't care about that. Because
But
in a
whatever
list,
we have to check that we have to put as second.
yes. So that is what we are doing, no?
Yes, sir.
I mean, we want to check one is present in list L or not. If it is there, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. If we can check like this or not.
Yes.
What it will return? False. Any doubt in this? Now, if you want to use in a list, means if you want to check the any key in dictionary D or not. So we have cleverly done. We have a function called keys of D. So keys of D will return list of keys of dictionary D. That is what it is there. And after that, we used a member function to check whether that 5 is a key in dictionary D or not. Otherwise, we have direct function. What is that? Is key.
Is key.
Yes.
Does it make sense now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And did you write this one? That is key D5.
Keys D5 where?
The last one, right side, is key
Yeah.
D5.
Yeah. Both will return false. This guy will also return overall false, and this will also return as a false.
This one is not the right format.
Why? Is key is defined for what? Dictionary. First element should be dictionary, and next what any element if you want to check whether key is there or not in dictionary D. What is there? Is there, no? Same thing, no? It will return as a false because 5 is not the key in dictionary D. Same. This is the basic function we have defined for the dictionary. I have just cleverly used the keys function or member function in a dictionary. We are actually using on list only, but we cleverly converted the keys into a list using that keys function. That's all. Nothing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Member function is used for list.
So this is nothing but what? List.
Yes, the list. Keys of D is a list.
And then we check the element. That's all. Does it?
It can be even this way, right? Instead of the number 2, element 2 in the list, I can have this dictionary which is defined by D. That is 1 comma, then the dictionary value which is defined in D. And then I can say member of L comma this D, right? That can also be possible, right?
So you are saying like this, L is like this.
L is not L is 1 comma.
Tell me, L is
1 comma.
List, no?
Yeah, list of 1 comma. Then you have a dictionary of values.
Dictionary as a value.
1 comma D. He's telling that, sir.
1 comma. Then I have not D. 1 comma. And then can I have a dictionary as a value for a list?
Dictionary as a value.
Dictionary can't be a value for list.
What is this one you want to write there?
Yes.
This one, like this you want.
Which is valid, right?
Yeah, you can write like this. L, it should be like how what? L.
I want to say member of L comma.
So first you have to, this is just a appending. You have appended. What you have done? You have made it L plus plus
the list of D. Yes.
You have appended. What is
So
it?
my dictionary got appended to the list. Now I can use a member of
Tell me how now you want
L, comma, and then the dictionary value.
Member of, then what? L, comma?
L, comma, this dictionary.
Which dictionary?
1 is to A, this one. Yeah.
This whole thing.
Yes.
This.
Yes.
So you, what is there? So you have just check a dictionary. So I want to check the key actually. Where key in this dictionary is there or not?
No, I'm asking. I want to check whether this dictionary is a member of this list. That is possible. Absolutely.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah, it will be true. Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm just asking whether that is possible or not. That's it.
Yeah, it's totally possible. What we have first appended a dictionary after converting into a list. Then your list became like this. And then you are checking one element, which is this can be element of dictionary. Sorry, this element can be a element of this list, and that if it is there, that's why it is returning a true. That's all. Nothing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So far, so many concepts.
In members of key of T, 5. If it's 4, then it's true, right?
Sorry. Can you please repeat? What is that?
In member of keys of T, 5. If it's 1 in case of 5.
Member, tell me. Member L or what? What do you want to write?
Member keys of T, 1.
Keys of D. After a closing bracket, na? This one.
1 closing bracket. 1 more.
So what do you think it will be?
True.
So what is this one? This one, no? One is member
That
of.
is a list of values that cannot be possible, I guess.
Why not? Just a minute, Swati.
Please return a list of values, right?
Yeah.
How can you find? Yeah.
That is what. Just a minute. Swati.
Yes.
I can hear background noise from your side, Swati, or some from different. Okay.
It's not from us.
Okay. Yeah, Swati, see, keys of D will return what? List. List of keys of dictionary D. That is what is written here.
1.
Now this member is defined for what? List. This is nothing but a list you have created. In that list, you are checking 1 is a member.
1.
Yes, 1 is member. It will return true.
True.
Now tell me, your doubt is clear, Swati? Your doubt is clear?
In if keys of D.
Sorry.
D equals to dictionary 1.
Okay.
If we look into it.
You have more doubt, huh? Tell me, what should I write?
D equal to dictionary which has already been written above.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. In this keys of D.
In this keys of keys of D I have written here, no? This is
okay, fine.
1 comma B. This one is one key. This is another key. That is what it is.
Okay.
That's why it is for this one you have element in this one. That's why it is returning true, no?
Okay, fine.
Okay. Karthikeyan, you had doubt in this? Hello? Okay.
No, sir. No. Okay. I got confused a bit. I'm sorry.
Now it is.
No, I don't have any doubt.
Okay.
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah.
Okay. So everybody is clear on this dictionary? Yes. Now what
yes,
is
sir.
Yes, sir.
Insertion. You are sleeping or what? Who is saying yes, sir? Insertion sort is done?
Yes, sir.
Found, not found, same thing. Inserted, not inserted. This is okay?
Yes, sir.
List is done?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Dictionary is done?
Yeah.
Nested iteration and exit. Yeah. So nested iteration, tell me some question. I can go through that one and then I will explain from there. Or exit loop also. Tell me. So someone was about to say some question. I don't think so. too much problem in list and dictionary, because that list we have extended this time in 2 weeks, and also dictionary in 2 weeks. So you guys have enough time to revise list and dictionaries, and I hope your doubts are pretty much addressed here. And yeah, if some doubts are remain, just let me know. I will explain. Yeah, any question, any doubt, tell me. So nested, how should I do? You have to tell some question, no? Or I will take them. Tell me. Or no doubt.
Accessing all elements of the nested dictionary.
Sorry?
All accessing all values of the nested dictionary.
You want to access all elements of a nested
dictionary.
Okay, D5. Let us say, tell me something like 0 is there. So I'm creating, let us say matrix only. So I have this one 7, comma 1 is 3, 30, 78, comma 2 is 56. So this is one element. Another one is, let us say 1. So sorry, 1 is like this. So again, it will start from the 0 I just given. So it can have like this also. And 2, this is for the matrix type of thing I'm writing. It can have anything, doesn't matter. Matrix for matrix, I'm just creating 67. Then 2, what it could be value? 8. And then you have 2. Guys, are you able to follow what I'm writing here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but do you remember something is this one. So I have another taken some class, some session there where I have explained that nested dictionary. I think the last class, yeah, last on demand session.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please watch that one if you guys have a confusion, anything. No, something 0 and 2 is 34. So see how many elements you have in D5. How many elements you have?
3 elements.
3.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you want to access all the elements. So what you will do first for each. So I want, what I want to do, I want to sum of all elements of this guy. Okay? Did you understand what I'm trying to do? I want this 7 plus 78 plus 56 plus 19 plus this all elements summation. Clear? Not
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
How will do?
Are those be considered as elements?
Yeah. So these are the see, this is key and these are the elements for this dictionary D5. This is the key. This is the another element. No. So if I write here D5 2, what it will be? This whole dictionary.
Dictionary.
This whole dictionary.
Whole dictionary.
Any doubt in this? So how will find the sum? Can anybody suggest me what should I write here?
Sir,
D5.
for each keys in D5.
Okay, for each keys in
keys of D5.
Keys. Okay, so we'll just use some different variable. It will be
X. Let's take X.
For keys of
D5.
Vishwajit, give chance to others. Okay, na? If any mistake is there, okay, it's just interrupting. So what should I write, guys? For everyone, question is clear.
D5.
Yes, sir. D5, sir.
Okay, just a minute. The guys who are not going to speak, Vishwajit, Lakshmi, Anush, Sukanya. I know Parag, Yogen. These guys are most of the time are speaking. Okay, others. I think I forget. I think most of the guys. Yeah, others. Please tell me. I want to hear from who never talked till now. You have opportunity here to talk, to address 70 students here. 70 of your friends. Yeah, these are also my friends, not as friends. Chalo. Yeah, what should I write here? Tell me, guys. So for if you okay.
Sir, can I speak?
But I also took you guys most of the time you speak, no?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yogender also speak, I think. So guys, those who are not talking, see, people are starting leaving the session. Anybody wanted to tell?
First of all, I would like
D5, sir. D5.
keys of
D5.
Sakshi also speaks. Okay, what should I write here?
D5.
D5.
D5. Here we will use nested, something nested.
Nested for each loop.
Yeah. So you are saying I should write. Who is telling I should write D5? Okay. On D5. Actually, name is still D5. I was thinking, oh, D5. Then
comma X.
D comma X. D5 comma X. Here.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir. Only D5.
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
here,
First complete.
No, sir.
Next, sir, for each while.
Again, next loop. For each.
guys, others are not speaking. I want what should I say? Same X or some different X? What should I write?
Y, sir.
Y. Okay, this time nobody will speak. What should I write here? I will just talk randomly. Akhil Manohar, do you want to speak? Yes, sir. Yeah, tell me, what should I write here, Akhil?
For each Y and I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Sir, people leaving now. 75 to 70.
X. Okay, sorry, I should have been asking. Okay, so I will. So see see now see. Listen, okay, who Abhinav Manohar, no? See, keys. If you are going first time, let us say first time, keys of D. So keys of D, what it will represent here? Let us say I'm just imagining I'm writing for the order in which dictionary is there. So D.
Keys of D.
So I'm right. So keys of D will return what? Just make it simple. 0,
1, 2.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No. Now, if you, just mute, guys. Yeah. So if you go first time for each X in keys of D, so X will be what?
0.
So for 0, you want to operate, or you want to means if you want to write this value, how will write? You have to go inside, no? So for going inside, what you will have to write? So for how we will, if I want to know what will it, how I can write this value? Tell me.
Value D5.
D5 0, sir. D5.
D5. Okay. So D5.
D5
0.
Should I make it D only, so it will be good that D5 is creating confusion? Then yeah, no. Okay. So now it is clear, no? Yeah. So D.
Yes.
D. If I write
0.
0. Again 0.
Again 0.
What it will be?
7.
So what you have to do for each X in keys of D, then again you have to go for each Y in and
keys of Y.
So what do you think? What is this actually? So sorry, Jade.
Keys of X, sir.
Yeah. So if you again you have to go through this dictionary actually. No? This is actually nothing but what?
Another dictionary.
Another dictionary. So again you have to go inside. Then you will be able to reach that one. No? So for reaching that one, what do you have written? D of 0, 0. So what do you have to write? Keys of
X.
D. Make it sense. So what if you write keys of here, Control C, Control V, keys of D0. Don't confuse that this D of 0 and this 0 is same. This is the keys. Fortunately, it is same because I have written for the matrix. So that's why. So this will be
1, 2.
These
0,
guys,
1, 2.
0, 1, and 2. This
List.
0, 1, 2 is this one. This 0, and this 0. Does it make sense? Guys?
Yes, sir.
No, yes, no. This is
sir.
nothing but this.
Yes.
These are the guys over here. Now little bit clear. I'm making it some different color. Okay? And these 0, 1, these guys. Okay? So now we have reached to d of x at 0. Now what you will do? Sorry, it should be closing track. Now see, I have to maintain these things. Yeah. So now what you will do? Now we have reached to what you will do? Sum of
Sum is equal to 0.
Sum is equal to 0. Why?
Yeah, we have to initialize.
Initialization we will do initially. No, that part you should take care of. I want to know the sum. So sum is equal to sum plus what should I write here? Now no. Please don't. Okay, 16. People are leaving actually, man. What to do? Shivank.
I think why.
Shivank, are you able to hear me? No. Yes. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what should I write here? Is it boring? Interesting? What? So I have to.
No, sir.
Sorry. Shivank. No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you
Yes,
tell me
sir.
what should I write here? Tell me.
D of sir 0.
Sorry. D of
0.
I should write 0. But this is
Yes, sir.
generalized. You should write. So what should I write
Yes.
then? So where is 0? See, this should be general. X and Y is a generalized term, no? So it should
Y.
be X
G of X.
And Y.
Y.
So what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it but did you understand what is there? So X is, this is the outer one X. So this is for the outer, guys.
Yes, sir.
And Y will go through the each and every key of these guys. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now exit loop is there. Now my question is that if I want to only add the first element of let us say this is that what is that? Whenever this I and J both are X and Y both are same, or what should I do? Like whenever that as you enter, it should exit. Exit means okay. If I write now, did you understand what it will be? Summation 7 plus some will go.
7 plus
Now
7.
I'm trying to extend the exit loop, how it will look like. So how it will work? 7 plus
78.
78 plus
56.
plus
56.
is what? 34. Like that it will be there. All it will add the values. Now my another question is that another problem. Someone has asked me to explain exit loop. Okay? So exit loop, how it will work? Where is my things? Let me copy this guy. Control C. Exit loop, someone has asked, no? I am hearing background noise from where, I don't know. Yeah, thank you. If I write here, exit loop. Now tell me, sum will look like how?
The sum of the first values in the
0.
7 plus
0 or what? 7.
No, like 7 plus 19 plus
7
56.
plus 78 plus
78
56.
plus
Sir.
56. That's it,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's it. Okay. There are two answers.
7 plus 19.
The answer will only be 7, right?
Only 7. Will only be 7.
The
Because
answer
it will
be
process
7.
the first value of the matrix and then it will exit the loop.
No, sir. It
7
will be
plus
7 plus
19 plus
19
56.
56.
First values of all the row elements.
Sir and
Yeah.
ma'am.
For
Sir,
okay.
give me a little time. So I'm writing one by one. So 7 plus 19 plus Anusri, what you were saying? 56.
Yes, sir.
This
Yeah.
is Anusri.
Yes, sir. I am also with her.
Okay, Anu.
Sir, my answer is only 7.
I wrote correct.
My
No?
answer is only 7, sir.
Okay.
Karthik.
Vishwajit is saying this one also. No?
Yes. Sir, actually, in this code, you forgot to add another one bracket for that outer for each loop.
Another for each loop where? This
outer for each loop, yes.
Down terminate the bracket, sir.
This is.
So the answer is only 7.
This is correct, no, Vishwajit?
Yes, sir. Now it is correct.
Okay. This is only 7. By
Yes.
whom? By whom?
Karthik.
Sir, I support first sum, sir.
From my side, first one. Sir, from my side, first one.
Sir.
Okay. Who are the with Karthik?
Sir,
Okay,
answer
who
is only 7, sir.
Sir, first one. First one.
Second.
Okay, wait.
Sir,
If you are supporting, I will ask the explanation. Ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. First one, sir.
What's your name? Akash.
Sujay.
Akash.
Sujay, sir.
Akash, right, sir. AKA RSH.
Next.
Oh, wait, sir. I changed my answer, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, my answer is 7 plus 78 plus
Hello,
56. Sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
actually,
Sir, mine also, sir. 7 plus 78.
78 plus 56 is my answer.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, actually, I changed.
Okay,
I
Sam.
changed my mind. Hello, sir. I changed my mind.
Sir,
Can you please erase my name from there?
Plus 70.
7 plus
Plus
78
56.
plus 56, sir.
That is
Who is
my
saying
answer.
this one?
Lakshmi.
Sir, me, sir.
Sir,
Rajiv, sir. Rajiv. 7 plus 78 plus 56.
Sorry.
Sir, Vishwajit, sir.
Just a minute. I have to, Lakshmi. Then who?
Rajiv, sir.
you will allow me to change my answer?
Ajay, yeah.
Karthik?
Only one time.
I want to change my answer.
Sir, Yogendra.
Vishwajit, sir.
Lakshmi. Vishwajit. How can Vishwajit? You can we have both answers?
Sir, there is two Vishwajit, sir. One is Chaudhary, one is Roy, sir. It's Roy, sir.
Oh, you are Roy.
Okay.
Vishwajit.
Sir, I
Sir.
also changed my mind.
Sir, my answer is sum of all the number values.
Yogendra. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Sir, my answer is sum of all the values.
Okay. You are
Sir,
saying
okay, I have another
778,
answer.
sum of all the values.
all values.
78, 30, 56, 19, 67.
Understood.
Sir,
Okay.
I have another answer.
I changed my
Radhakrishnan.
answer. 7 plus
Radhakrishnan.
19 plus 56.
Okay. What do? You
Sir,
just
sir,
put it in the
sir,
chat.
one more
Put it in
thing.
the chat now. Too much noise is there. People are leaving the session. People are saying, what is happening here? Okay.
Sir, I want to
Sir.
add a thing. Sir, please erase my name from there. I changed my mind and I am none of them.
It won't erase
I
it.
am none of them, sir. I have a different answer.
Sir, I have a different answer too. It's
Yes, sir.
not
It is
any of
written.
these.
It will be not erased now. It is like pain. You have pain. You haven't pencil.
Sir, the
Actually, what I
answer
found,
will be
sir, what I found, it can be anything. I mean,
Yeah.
but it can be the sum of three. I mean,
it will
three.
be one from each of those.
Three values.
It can be any
Yes,
of from one of those.
yes, because this keys of d of x
Doesn't
is
have an
not,
order. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a random order.
Yeah.
But it will take the only one value.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so yeah, now these guys are coming closer to the correct answer. Okay, I'm going to explain what will be the value actually, guys. Okay, chalo.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what was the question?
Oh, the question was that I have used here exit loop. Okay, and then I was telling what will be the value of sum. So people have given this answer and all are incorrect.
Sorry.
Okay, chalo. Mute you all guys, and I will tell you what will it, how these guys are incorrect. At last, Vishwajit and Anusri, I think both reached to the correct explanation. Okay, but they can't tell the what will be the value actually. Am I correct?
Yes.
Vishwajit
Yes,
and
sir.
Anusri, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Chalo. So see what it is happening. Sum 0 is for each x in. Just now I have explained. You guys forget. That's why I'm. Is it interesting question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
chalo.
easy.
Yeah, so for each x in keys of D will give what? Control C,
0, 1, 2.
Control V. It will be
It will be
0,
0, 1, 2,
0,
sir.
1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
Agree? Now we
Yes,
are
sir.
looking for each y in keys of D. Let us say I'm just assuming first time if we are going, just I'm writing for same order. Okay? It can be any order. Remember, guys, it can
Yes,
be in
sir.
any order. So let us say first time giving this one 0, 1, comma 2, comma 3. Any no D of x. I just 0. I'm just writing. Why I will tell. Yeah, guys, please mute. No, please mute. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So as you go first time, for each x in keys of D, let us say you have assumed this one first time. So what will be the value of x if you go first time?
0.
0.
0.
So for each y in keys of D, let us say first time you went and this with D of 0. So let us say this is also first time we're going and 0 is coming. So D of 0, sum will be sum. Let me write itself. Sum 0 plus D of 0,
0, 0.
0. And this will be what?
7.
7.
7.
Any till here? Till here? Yes or no?
Yes.
No. Who is having doubt in this? Tell me. It's okay. If you have doubt, I'm here to explain. Guys, tell me.
No, sir, no doubt, sir.
Okay, so please mute then. Yeah. So as you come here, now exit loop is there. So what exit loop does, it just mute, guys. What it does, it just check the parent loop, just previous loop. Where is that loop? This two loops are there, one and another loop is there. It just check the previous one. Where is the previous? This one.
For each y.
So where is the now it will check where is the closing bracket of this guy. This is the closing bracket of this one. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your cursor or the line of the code will come here. Means below that is some statement is there, na? Like if some statement is there, then it will read here. Since here nothing is there, nothing is there, so it will come here, and this is the closing bracket of which one? This guy. So again,
For x, sir, for each x.
for each x in this one it will check. Since you have already we haven't come out from this for each loop, so this will be constant. Since you have created first time, this will be constant. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So 0, 1, 2, this will be okay. Now you are going again first time this guy. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now keys of D of 0. So now x will be what? Actually, next x will be what? So this is x is equal to
1. Next x is equal to 1.
This is x when you have 0. Now we have x. Let me put it there. And next iteration, x is what here? 1. When you go second 1, no? Now it will go inside, and again it will for each y in keys of D. Now it will generate what? Control C, Control V, and the D of 1. Unfortunately, this is again in the same, but there is a like it can create in any order.
Yes, sir.
That is what I have told. No, one like it can. If you are fortunate enough, it will create like this. Otherwise, it can have any order because dictionary doesn't maintain the order. Sorry, 0, 2, or anyone. So did you understand what I'm trying to say here? It can start with a 2, 1, 0, like that it will be. Okay. So as you go this one, anyone if you take, let us say if you are fortunate enough, you will go with it will come 0. But what if it will come this one? So let us say this time is coming like this 1, 0, 2. So if you go this time, D of 1 will be which one? 67.
67.
Will come then 2. So D of 1, 2 will be which one?
56.
8.
8. So
That's 8.
You cannot tell which one is the going to add. It can add, but it will only add one of the element from these. There will be summation of only 3 elements. But which element?
Which 3?
We don't know because of this guy. Which guy? This one. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, no. Chalo.
Hello, sir. Can you repeat, sir, please?
Yeah. So see, if you go in just a minute. So this one you understood now. So first time I just understood that this will be the keys of D. I have taken 1, 0, 1, 2. It can have also any order. It doesn't matter. It can take any order. But for simplicity, first time I have just taken 0, 1, 2. Fine. X barabar 0. When you go first time, X is 0 because this is the first element of keys of D. When you go first time, for each Y in keys of D 0. So sum will be what? Sum plus D of X Y. So this is 0, 0. No, y is what? Where is y? When first time, no, I also understood that this will return as a 0, 1, 2 first time. So that's why 0, 0 I have taken and 7 I have taken. This can so that's why I wrote 0 plus d of 0, 0, 7. When you go next time, because see, as you come here, exit loop is there. So exit loop is there. It will come out here from this loop. So this loop, where is the closing bracket? This here. So it will come out from this loop, but this is the closing bracket of this guy. So you have to again go back and check. So what is the value of x? Next you are having 1. So x is 1. Again, for each y in keys of d. Again, you are going first time this one for the value of x is equal to 1. So again, it will create keys of d of x, and it can have in any order. That is what I was trying to show. So let us say this one is there. So obviously d of x 1, 0, it will 19. But what if this will be there? So x will be 1 and y will be also 1. So d of 1, 1 will be there. So it will add this guy. If it is there, this one, so d of this guy will add it. D of 7 plus 8, like that it will happen. So it can have any order, and then it will exit. No, as you enter this one, after adding of only one element from this, it will exit. Again, it will go for next x for the 2, and again it will add for only one element of these all things. So that's why it will add maximum three values, but which 3 value we don't know. Out of 9, it will add any one of the 3. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, this question maybe I will give sometimes in next quiz. This is a good question actually.
Sir, I have one.
Sir, the three, it adds up 3 in the sense 1 from 0 key and 1 from 1 and 1 from 2. Am I right, sir?
Yes. So this
27 possible answers. 27.
Okay. So
No, sir.
some
Yes, sir,
will be
27.
like any value from d of 0 plus
d of 1.
D of 1. Yeah, understood, sir.
Sir, I have one question over here. If I modify the inner loop for each y in keys, if I put it as sorted keys.
Yes. That will work then. If you now what he's trying to say, na, just यहाँ पे like sorted is some, put it like a sorted. So after creating of a list, you just write here sort something function is there which just sort your elements in an increasing or decreasing order, something. So if it is increasing order, it will come 0, 1, 2. If it is decreasing order, 2, 1, 0. If nothing you just sort, it can come in any order. That is what you wanted to say, no?
No, sir, that's what my question is. I wanted clarity on this. If I say sorted keys, every time will the key be 0? It is like outer loop would be 0 and inner loop would also be pointing to 0, or it will be pointing to 0, 1 and 2.
No, so sorted list means once you write sorted, so this whatever the sort, what do you mean by sort? It will give the list in elements in increasing or decreasing some order, it will give. That is what.
Correct. So let us assume it is increasing order. So every time when the while loop is being exited and being re-entered, every time it will give me 0 only, right?
Yeah, 0 will be the first, then 1, and then 2.
Correct. So every time, so when I come in, the sum would be first looking at D0, 0. It will exit, and then next it would be D1, 0.
Yes.
It will exit, and then next it would be
after modification. After modification of your code will like this. Sorry, your sum will like this. So, okay, sorry. 0, 0.
Yeah, 1, 0, and then 2, 0.
Yeah. Control.
Okay.
Let me control V.
But that order will not be same now. Like it can be D of 1, 0, then D of 2, 0, then D of 0, 0.
Assuming the outer loop is 0, 1, 2. If it could be of different order also, what you say is something which I agree. Assuming the outer loop is 0, 1, 2.
Yeah, there also if you also use sorted one. What is there?
Correct.
Sort. Then it will be like this. So there is a function. What he has said, no, there is a function. Okay, let me copy. Let me write separate. Then people will understand. Let me make it like previous. Control. Okay, just a minute. Guys, what is happening? Are you able to understand or no? And for this one, this will be the answer. Any value from D of 0, any value from D of 1, any value from D of 2. And for this one, it will be this value. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Please.
For sort keys, does it always arrange it in ascending order, or
No. Just we have assumed.
Oh, okay.
Sort is a function. Sort, we have assumed a function which takes the input as a. Okay, I'm just writing here itself. It can have any order 1, 0, 2, and it will return what?
0,
Ascending or descending order.
Any order. It can have a, but it depends on how we have defined that function or the procedure. Nothing but it's a procedure. So procedure is the sort is a procedure if you input as a list in any order. The same thing. What is the we have just now we talked about this guy. This guy. Insertion sort. This guy.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Insert an element. So that the input is this one. It will return as a what? Sorted one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So procedure will, yeah. Okay. Chalo. Yeah. So now some concepts are clear. Little. Yeah.
Sir, last line, sir. This sum, actually, I lost the connection, sir. Actually, so, sir, this sum for D is 0 to 0, right? So it will give the first number, right? For D of first line of like 0 key to the 78. That one, right?
This let me copy and paste it here also. Oh, sorry. It is clear, no? Yeah. This is the one. Yeah.
Yeah. So 0 of 0. That means it will give 7.
Yeah. So this will be what? 7 plus
1 of 0. That means
what
19 and 56, right?
Sorry, 19. Yeah. So what Anushri and Vishwajit was initially saying, that will be the answer.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Got it, no? What if I want to write now for this diagonal element general? So whenever this x and y both are 0, then I want to add. I want to write this.
So diagonal element
equals to y.
You can add 1 of 1.
You can add if x
2 of
is
2,
equal
sir.
to y.
If x is equals to y is what the diagonal sum would be.
Sir, ma'am, give me
1 of 1 and 2 of 2, sir. Yeah.
I want to write for this code. What should I do in this one?
And
Add
if
a condition,
before
sir.
sum.
Conditions, yeah.
If
X is equal to y.
Replace y instead of x.
Replace by instead of x. Okay. Control C. Did you understand the question, guys? If
Yes,
not,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Yes,
I
sir.
want to write this one. How I will write?
Inside
Add a
that for each
condition.
loop,
Add a condition.
inner
For each y in
If
sort.
for
x
each
is
loop.
equal to
Yes,
y.
sir.
If x
Yes.
is equal to
If
y.
x is equal to y.
Sorry, it should be small. Na?
X equal to y.
Did you understand what is happening here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it fun? Like that session you will have in Python when you will come, but I will be not there. I think some other.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, in that, can I ask, sir?
Please, please.
Sir, in that inner for each loop, you have written actually for each y in short keys of d of x. Sir, instead of y, can we write x there?
Here,
I mean,
x.
at the end, it won't have any impact, I think.
X. Yeah, since
yes,
since here keys are same, no, so that's why you are saying we can write x also. Fine, you can write, but then it will be, then this will be like what you will do then for that time you cannot write x is equal to x. This will be always same, no. No, actually both variable will have same because this will work for this guy at that time. And if you write x here, no, what it will happen? Tell me. X will be x, d of x, x will be, both will be same. Understand? So there will be like same variable cannot take same value, no. So whatever initially you will have, that will be lost because of when you go for the next time. Understand?
Oh, you're saying that same
You
variable
can
can
declare
have
two
even.
variables with the same name inside the same code segment.
No, he's telling that can we write x here?
But it is not possible, right? You are declaring the variable twice, right?
Yeah, that is what it will be lost because you are reinitializing one like that.
It will be lost or it will be error, sir, because you are declaring the variable twice in the same scope.
So see what it will have. See, if x initially what will be, x will be 0.
Yeah,
okay,
you're trying to again initialize
the
variable x.
So d of 0 now it will come. So d of 0 will be initially x will be 0. Now it will go actually, but x 0 is equal to 0. Then it will come for the next time. What it will be? Okay, 1, 2. Then when it will be. So when it comes for the next time, actually the value will be lost actually, Vishwajit. That's
Increments
why
of x could not be saved. So when
yeah.
x is 1 on the outer loop, every time it will be overwritten. Sir, I have one more question over here. This same function would also work if there is no exit loop. The only difference is with exit loop, we are saving 2 iterations.
Correct. Exit loop is not required for this
Yeah,
one.
sir, and here we don't have to use the sort also, right?
Yes, that is also true. So now optimization is coming. So the optimized code is here. Control C.
So one thing we can do, we can
so optimized code is this one. You need not to call this guy. This one. Yes, guys. What others are doing? I think this is exit loop is required or not. What do you think? It will save time.
Yeah,
yes,
it will definitely save time.
Yeah.
So I have a more idea. So
tell me.
You can remove the inner for loop, and then also it will work like for loop and if.
For loop and in this one.
Yes, sir.
You can
you will write
xx.
You will write d of xx6. Okay, but this is when you have same.
Then sorted would be required, right? No.
So, but ultimately our goal is to find the that outer key and inner key should be equal. That's why.
Sir, but in that last code, we don't know how many iterations we need to go through. But in the above, we know that we'll go through 1 plus 2 plus 3 iterations.
So he's saying that d of x. That is what you are saying?
Yes, sum equals to sum plus d of xx.
Even I don't know what will happen. Just let me check also.
So for here, it could come as an error because if the x, there is no value that is the same as x in the dictionary, Then it will be an error, right?
Yeah, but the here the
Signs
ultimate
are there like 0, 0, 1, 1. It's a diagonal element of that matrix. But if you have a dictionary, obviously this will be error. But I have just talked about the diagonal, the principal diagonal.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So for
Principal
that particular condition only.
Sorry.
So that only for that elements, this code will be running properly.
Yeah. So for the for the matrix, it will. You mean to say? No? Okay. What about others, guy? What others are doing actually? Now people are more involved in this coding. Good. So you will have good time in Python, I think. Now your concepts are pretty much clear because of CT, or you guys know already. Okay, chalo. Yeah. Any doubt till here? So see, whatever you have asked the doubt, where is the doubt actually? Now I have covered what? Nested I have covered. Who had doubt in nested? Nested it is covered. Sukan, you had doubt in this nested?
Related to key.
Related to key. So key was also there, na? In this I have.
Okay.
Sir, in the last question, sir, how can we add the last element? So you have just added the diagonal elements. How can we add the last element? What can be modified in the code to add the last element?
So if you want to add only that 56, 8, which one?
And 34, yes, sir.
56, 8 and
8 and 34.
Okay, guys, solution. Now
So for outer for loop, we can arrange it in ascending order, and inner for loop, we can sort it in descending order.
Yeah, so one solution is coming. Actually, what's your name? Actually, you want some like this. Guys, people who are not speaking, please speak. So he's saying 0, 2 plus, that is what you are saying, na?
Yes, sir. D02.
Control V plus Control V. So this will be 1,
1, 2, 2, 2.
This is what he wanted.
Yes,
how we can write code for this?
Take a static element, equal it to 2, take a step, maybe y is equals to 2, and then increment x in sorted list.
Yeah, so see, can you see? This is all time 2. So that's simply you can write for this one. Control C. You don't need to write Control V. Does it make sense? Or if you know the length actually, see, you don't know the length, so n will be the length of the matrix you can know, na?
Yes.
N you can know, na? Length of the matrix. So n is that this one, so this will be what? N minus 1, because it starts with the 0.
From 0.
Agree?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Generalized length of L will be the length of
keys of D.
Fine, no?
Sir, I think
Yes,
keys
sir.
of D would only give you 0, 1, 2. Since this is
So
a 3
this
by
is
3 matrix.
Square matrix.
Square matrix is possible. If not, it should be one more step down.
Yeah. So it will be any one of the, I think 0.
Any of the element. Yeah.
Yeah. If it is not a square matrix, then you should use this one. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Agree, everyone?
Yes.
sir.
Chalo. So,
other method can be like we can, for the inner for loop, we can sort the keys in decreasing order.
That is also fine. If you define a sort function for decreasing order, then you can do that. It's fine. It's not a big issue. Yeah. Okay. Any doubt in this? So I have covered which are the concepts. Exit loop I have also covered. Nested I have also covered. And list and dictionary is pretty much clear from you guys, I think, no? How many have are still having doubt in list and dictionaries? Any doubt in this, guys?
No, sir.
Sir, little bit in exit loop.
Exit loop, one more time. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here exit loop is there. So it will check the, as we enter first time,
Yes,
it will
sir.
add these guys and exit loop. As you see that first parent loop. So if you go this one, this is a loop. No,
No.
this is a one-time execution. If so, where is the loop then? This is the loop. So
Yes.
where is the closing bracket of this guy?
Second.
Here. So if let us say something, some statement or some expression is there here, you will do this one, no, after that, because your flow of code, a line of the code will come here because the closing bracket of this one. So this will be there. Now we will come here, but this is the closing bracket of this guy. So for closing bracket of this, again it will check for the conditions. So whether X you have read all in this or not. If not, you will go again. Again, if you go, again it will be executed this part, because once it is true, you are going to read or execute this whole part. That is how exit works. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. Chalo. Any doubt in exit loop still?
No, sir.
So tomorrow you guys have what is that? Graph, matrices, recursion, DFS. So please guys also watch the lecture. So you guys have watched, no, that one DFS that solved with instructor session. Before going that, it will be good if you watch that one. Otherwise, like again you will go with the blank, then it will be not good. If you watch that one, we have went very slowly and a step by, no guys, those who have attended.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please watch that one, and also those who have still some dictionaries related doubt or something, I have shared that link, no, I think that one on Google, Telegram as well somewhere. So please watch that one also. And tomorrow there will be a session by Omkar. He will take graph theory and
So, the last one, can you tell the marks distribution of weightage for the week?
Yeah, so marks distribution is like, see, week 1 to 4 we cannot ask too much. So week 1 to 4 not too much weightage either. Maybe some questions are there. I don't know how many I have done, forget also. So there will be some question not too tough, but you have to put some mind. Also, obviously, if you are able to do list and dictionary based question, obviously we'll be able to do week 1 to 4. Now, what do you think, guys?
Yes, sir.
Only there is nested dictionary is there. Sorry, nested. What is the nested loop is there, which you cannot work any list or dictionary question without using nested. Or if you are working on a graph pseudocode based question, obviously nested is there. So you have to understand nested loop from it is coming from week 4 onwards. So some questions will be there, but most of the weightage is from week 5 onwards. Week 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Please revise your basic concepts, write some key points of particular concept. Week wise, you can go through that. Take a random pseudocode, start solving that one. It will be good that if you take any random question and solve the that particular problem. Okay. And so tomorrow there will be session. Day after that you will have mock, and then Thursday we'll have one more session for whatever the questions coming in mock, and as well as if you have still some doubt, for that there is a session on Thursday. Okay, so please be little bit active in so that your exam will go good. And maybe I think I will come to Chennai Center. Who guys are coming to Chennai Center? Which is that? I think what is the name of this one? I forget also. Kovila Vakam Center. Anybody is from Chennai? Yes, no.
No, sir.
All are from, okay.
Sir, from Joseph.
Sorry? Nobody is from Chennai?
Sir, but this time, I mean, is it, done that it will not be from home, right? It will be from the center, right? Even for international students?
No, for international student, I think you are supposed to go to some center. If not, then maybe you are from where then?
Kuwait.
Okay, so last time how did you do give this?
Like, I mean, my qualifier was at the center. My term quiz 1 was at home. So I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, quiz 2. I mean, it was from home, and this time I'm not sure from where it is.
Okay, okay. So maybe it will come to know in next 1 or 2 days, maybe.
Oh.
But be prepared for both. I mean, either home or.
But
The
it's
problem
mentioned,
is,
sir.
like, I mean, if it is from the center, I think the morning session exam starts at 9 o'clock, right? Indian time.
I think yes, yes.
So which means we have to report to the center at 5:30 Kuwait time in the morning.
Oh, okay. So then you go for this afternoon session then, I think.
But how we will not be having the option to select the sessions, right?
Oh, I'm not sure actually.
Yeah, it's there is no. I'm also
Yeah,
appearing.
no option. And see, I
They will
don't
give
think
the
even
time.
the center is open at 5:30 in the morning. I'm not sure about that.
Oh, I have no idea. I mean, I haven't.
Normally, city and statistics will be there from in the. I think it's in the forenoon session.
Okay, okay. So maybe support team will have better answer.
Yeah, probably I should wait for the hall ticket before speculating. On this. That's better. Yeah.
No, they have updated in the latest updates for international students, where you have to which is center you would have preferred already given the preference. So that is the one they are going to give hall ticket.
No, but even last time when they said, they have given the city name of the center, but when the hall ticket actually came, they said it is going to be taken from home. That's
No,
what they did.
that depends upon the number of students in that particular city.
Okay,
if it is too less, they will. This is how it is happening.
Okay. Probably 1 or 2 days, like sir said, then we will be, clearly knowing about that. Anyway, let's see.
Yeah.
Hello,
Excuse
sir.
me, sir. Sir, will you come for one more session, sir?
Oh, I think Rahul and Omkar is going to take.
Because my quiz 2 doubt is left, sir.
Oh, which one? Tell me.
No, not now, sir. In the next session, I'll ask. No problem.
Okay, so maybe Thursday I will come for half an hour, maybe along with Rahul. That is a concluding session, I think.
Please, sir.
Yeah. I will come on that day.
Then on that day, I will remind, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Hello, sir. Can you please share these notes, sir?
Which note? This one?
This one, sir.
Or whatever I have just worked out. Or which one? Okay, just let me share this. Where is that?
Slides, you are going to share it since that's the slides, right?
Okay, so you are talking about this one?
Yes, sir.
Or this one?
It's already, sir, in week 12.
Yeah, that is, I have these all things are there in week 12. Go and check there. These all things are there, additional content.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, actually, I was talking about the slides. Just now you have given the notes, sir. That's one.
This one. Which one you are talking about? So this one. This slide.
Yeah. No. Not this one. This one already shared, sir.
Okay, so this one you want.
This one, yeah.
So a lot of mistakes might be there in this. What you will do in this? Okay, well, how should I share then? Tell me.
So we will learn from the mistakes, right?
Okay. So what should I do? Should I put? I think where I should put
resources, sir.
So resources, sir.
Something is there. Let me check where. Supplementary content I can put, no? Some revision session workout notes like that I can put as
yes,
a PDF.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, so maybe today is my last session for you guys.
Then we will come and meet you in IIT Madras, sir. Which department do you? Are you put at?
I'm in applied mechanics.
Okay, so great.
So I will be not here. My things are done. I'm just waiting for my defense. It won't. Maybe I can give from anywhere. That's not thing.
So your tenure with IIT Madras is going to be over. You mean?
No, so PhD is done. I will be associated with. Yeah, I will be associated with the online degree, but the IIT Madras.
Okay, so you can be from anywhere.
Yeah.
So which other courses are you instructing in? for this course?
Yeah, so last term I have taken math as well, and this CT mostly I do in CT. Last time I have just went for the graph theory. I have taken one live session for the mathematics.
Sir, mode weightage from week 5 to 8 or
week 5
9 to 11?
5 to 11.
So are you, I mean, apart from CT, are you doing any other, course, sir, for the, I mean, qualifiers or like foundation level, any courses?
No. So I'm just mostly in CT. Sometimes I go for mathematics. I mean,
Okay.
for some sessions I take.
Probably, I mean, next term, if we are lucky and if anyone is going to do mathematics, then we can see you there, probably.
No, people, there are very good instructors are there. Vicky is there. Others, so many good instructors are there.
It's not for the good or bad, because it is only basically aimed at the association and the, I mean, the absolutely wonderful time we had with you for the CT.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, I heard that math. Oh, sorry, not math. Stats 2 is very tough, sir.
If you do not study, everything is tough. If you put attention, see, thing is, you need to have a lot of data. And data, you have to actually start writing or practicing. Like mathematics, how it works, mathematics. You have to start writing on the notebook, not you have to just visualize. Like in CT, you can visualize the code and you can get the answer. That's why it becomes easy. In mathematics and statistics, you actually need to work out the problem, no?
Yes, sir.
What do you think, sir, if, I mean, we take, I mean, for the second term, mathematics 1, statistics 1 and Python?
No. So
how difficult it will be to manage this?
Don't do that one. Don't do that. So you just take mathematics and statistics. It will be very tough then. So you can take Python, mathematics, statistics, Python. Like that you take.
Okay, not 3.
Not
right?
3. It will be very tough mathematics. Yeah. Are you working somewhere?
Yes, I'm working. Yeah.
Okay, so don't take. My suggestion is that don't take these 3 together. You take Python will be very much easy since you have all the foundation of all the concepts from CT. So Python will be just execution. You have to just like that. You were writing here code, no? What I have written for this, like that you will write there. So how much time it is taking? You're just checking there, no? But
yeah.
But in mathematics and statistics, you have to actually work. You might remember in week 1, how was mathematics? Week 1, theory, function, relations.
Yeah, it was, I mean, really, I mean, tough. At least for me, it was tough. I don't know about the others.
No, it is tough for everyone because that you have to. Lot of new things are there in that.
Okay. So, how many hours do we need to dedicate per subject for the second term?
So which are the courses you are going to take?
I was initially planning to take all.
All 4?
Yeah.
So are you working somewhere or a student, or if you are a student, you are enrolled in somewhere?
So I currently just completed my class 12th and now I took admission in VIT Vellore for BTech and IT. So it will start on 12th September, college will start.
Okay, so then, my suggestion is that just take 2 actually, because first year, first semester, it will be obviously that will be a new environment. You have to cope up with a lot of new things, new subjects. Obviously, some things will be already you have studied, but a lot of new things will come. So will be good that if you take only 2 courses and take some combination like math, take CT you have already taken, then math, Python you take, statistics, then other easy subjects you take. Like that you just do. Otherwise it will be tough, I think.
If we go by 2 courses per semester, then first year we will take at least 1 year and 4 months to complete, right?
Yeah, so that's like, see, if you are working, you can see getting grades is not like you will pass, you will get B grade, C grade. But what is the meaning of that one? What you will do with B and C grade? If you are not getting A and A's, don't do that course. You should be in the, like, at that level you are able to get S or A grade, A grade minimum. If you are getting 8, that's a good, no? 8 is, I think, A, no?
Yeah, so I mean, which means like, see, 4 months for each 2 courses, which means it is 16 months to complete foundation level.
Yeah, so once your foundation is strong, after that you can have free. I mean, you can complete like Python. Foundation you have done very good in CT, so Python will be like easy. Then DBMS something will be there, but you will have foundation as strong. You put foundation very strong, get good grades and all the things. So this will matter.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I want suggestion from your side. I am a government employee and enroll in May term and choose city and maths for first term. Then what is the subject should I select for next term, September term?
Go for statistics. English you have completed? English?
No, sir. No, I know only 2 subjects I selected.
So see, English you will be actually you are going to pass that one. So take a statistics. Python you can take. Python you can take, or you should take because you have just completed your CT. So all the things are fresh. So it will be good that if you can do Python. So it will be completed. You will have also understanding of coding once you do the Python. So statistics, Python, or maybe you can take English. English will be easy, no? You will easily pass.
Yes, sir. Easy.
Python and English will make you one subject like that, easy one.
Yes.
Take a statistics.
English is easy. You can, without reading, you can easily score, sir.
Yes.
I didn't study, sir. I scored 70, 75.
No, so don't give that one. You should at least get. But it will be easy. So you do not to put too much effort to understand English and get a good grades. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, for taking statistics 2, we have to complete both Max 1 and Statistics 1, right?
Correct.
Sir, but Maths 2 is a core requisite, I think, for Statistics 2.
I think a Statistics 1 before Mathematics 2, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is because some concepts are there, I think, in that. But both the Stats 1 and Math 1, you have to study before this taking Math 2 and Stats 2.
Sir, is there any changes in course name, sir?
Course name?
Yeah.
Meaning?
Because I saw the site, sir, IITM site.
BSc to BS.
Yeah, it is BS, sir. It is
Yes, yeah. So you have option now. See, this will be 4-year BS program. So earlier it was BSc. So this foreign university was not like they do not give that much value 3 years. So if you want to do PhD outside, 4 years program you should be having in your bachelor. So if you have BS from here, you will get easily PhD outside like that. It is there. Like integrated PhD, something is there, no? Integrated PhD or like that.
I think we also can attempt for GATE.
But that would be there. So you can choose subjects, whatever it is out here. No? Otherwise, you have to go for other subjects. But you are eligible actually. You are eligible.
Sir, is
how
this
many
course comes under online degree course, sir? Because in so many vacancies, company.
How many?
Is this course comes under online degree course?
So many courses are there. Means how many courses you are going to?
Sir. What I am asking, sir, that there are so many companies who come up with any vacancy. They are emphasizing that no online course will be entertained. So in that type of case, we can't apply, no? If we did this.
No, if you are in company and if they are saying to us go for a study, online study like that.
No, my question is, sir, this IITM BS online degree course, it comes under online degree course. No?
Yeah. So, but in degree it is nothing. You see, nothing written there, anything. No, it's just a degree you got from from some university. Since
it's not mentioned that whether it is online or offline.
It's not mentioned online, that statement online anywhere.
Yeah.
But sir,
but companies doesn't care about how you have studied. If you know stuffs, they will take you. If you don't know stuff, even if you have done offline, they will not take you.
Sir, what is the placement ratio for this program?
Okay. So this is first clear the course. First clear the, this seat.
First.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Earlier, sir, it was like when it was a 3-year BSc program. So, So there are 31 courses we need to complete, right, sir? So right now it's been changed to 4 years program. So
Yeah.
how many extra?
Some courses are added, I think, and also you have to do some research internship for 6 months in some institute, some companies, some research, something you have to do 6 months. I think it is mentioned on the website. You can just go and check.
But if someone working, then what? I mean, is it necessary to do that? This one, I mean, internship, sir.
That I don't know, miss. I have not much clear picture about that, miss. We are thinking that what we can do that one, but we have to check. Okay.
So then, how many total course we need to take right now for 4 years?
For getting what?
For a 4-year BSc program. Earlier it was 31 courses.
Now I think it's something we have now some grade. How many grades total? It should come grade something A448 something. Means total semester I don't know 40 or 30. It will be some, obviously some courses will be added. That I am sure, but how many? I just go and check in the website. I haven't checked that.
Because normally, sir, what happened in US universities or so like total 40 courses you need to 38 to 40 courses you need to take, so that you need to get a 4-year bachelor degree program.
Yeah, so that will be, we are maintaining that one. That is maintaining. We are maintaining. I think they ask for the some credits. So every course has credits. No, that many credits you have to do complete. So obviously, in terms of courses, that many courses will be added according to the standard. What we everywhere is there, that many things will be added. Okay.
Sir, what will be the duration to complete? I mean, for the completion of this
BS.
Yes, sir. BS.
BSc it was 6. No, I don't know for BS. Maybe it will be extended. I think little bit more.
Okay.
Time
I think it will be extended to 2 more years.
I think I am not sure. So I'm not sure. You have to keep checking the website. We will maintain. Okay.
Sir, thank you, sir. May I leave, sir?
Sir.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. No queries. Okay.
question?
Listen. Just a minute. Give me. No queries for placement. I don't want to tell now placement. If you have talk about any doubts or anything, then you tell. Don't talk about too much about BS degree, because and also I'm also not the right person currently, because still in the process. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just
sir, can I ask a
tell
general
me.
question? Sir, is it wise to take Max 2 and Stat 2 together?
No, so see, if you are able to manage that time, I mean, see, how many courses you are going to take in first semester? I think it will be 6 courses. I think some 6 courses, and along with that, you will have some practical. I mean, obviously, in first year, irrespective of any department, you will have to go to some lab. I think in mechanical something. So 6 plus some 2 labs will be there. So total 8 physics lab, chemistry, something will be there. So if you are able to manage that time, then you take. Otherwise, like if you are not able to manage here and there, are struggling to get good grades there also as well as here also, then there is no meaning to do the course, no.
So it's better to quality over quantity.
Yes. That is what I say. Read things very conceptually, concrete way. Don't read and like just know the terms like upar generally we say, na. Don't do that.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. May I leave?
Yes. So also I'm leaving. If no any queries related to this CT.
Sir, I just want to ask.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Yeah. Good night. Good night, guys.
If I take 3 courses this time, can I take 3 more the next time?
So if you have time, then you can take. That's the same thing I want to tell you, that if you have time, you can take.
No, so if I take English and Python and maths this time, so if I take statistics next time, can I take more courses with it, or I'll only be stuck with stats?
Okay, so a stats for doing so a stats one you have not done.
I have done all 4 courses.
Okay, so you can take a stats 2 and math 2. I think math okay, so that time you will have confusion, no. So math 2, a stats 2, we want to take, no.
If I don't take only stats 2 and I take English 2, maths 2 and Python, then for the next semester after this one, I'll only be stuck with stats 2, or can I take more courses along with it?
I think you should be completing all the foundation in math 2. I think you can take diploma level courses. I think in that side, like
No,
if
sir,
you have,
no, sir.
no, na. I think no.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Before taking,
Yes, sir.
before
Without
getting the
completing
diploma,
foundation.
you need to complete
Because
foundation.
once you complete the foundation, we'll provide one certificate. I think, no.
Okay.
Sir, Maths 2 and Python will be very good combination, and in the next term you can take Stats 2 and English 2.
Yes.
Because they are suggesting. I mean, I heard a lot of things.
Yes, yes, that will be also good.
But Maths 2 along with Stats 2, that will be very hectic, I think.
Yes, yes, true.
Maths 2 and Stats 2.
Yeah.
So if I take all 4 courses, how many hours do you think I'll have to dedicate to this?
So English will be okay. Stats and math you have to work out actually. You have to study a lot.
So how many hours a week?
It depends on you know how much able to, like you are able to grasp. No, I mean if you are enrolled no somewhere. I mean.
My college will start in mid of September or end.
So how you will manage all the 4 courses? Yasha, your name is what?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
It will be very hectic along Bachelor of Technology degree and along with this.
Yeah, yes, sir. So that's why I'm telling here.
There will be 6 subjects and 3 labs in BTech.
Yes.
So how we can manage 4 subjects in here?
Yes. So yes, sir. That's why I'm telling. Like in first semester of your college, courses will be there, and if you take another 4 courses here, so you will struggle a lot. I mean.
And there will be by half mark they will give a back in the semester.
Yeah. So don't take courses for just getting pass. That is what my suggestion is there. So please take 2 courses. It's fine. No, please take 2 courses and do better in that.
Okay.
Okay. No. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you,
sir. Good night.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, I had lovely time.
Sir,
with
how
you.
will you have dinner? Himalaya is closed at 9:30.
Yeah, my friends have taken food for me.
Oh.
I have some friends, so they have taken food for me from Anjapar, not from Himalaya. Mess is bad today. Okay, chalo. Okay, bye, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night.